Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the error message 0x800701AA, and it shows an unexpected error is keeping you from copying the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem. Error 0x800701AA. The cloud operations was not completed before the timeout period expired. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, the first thing we're going to do is to actually uninstall and reinstall the OneDrive applications. So, all you have to do is to click on a search menu button dito sa baba. So, click mo lang siya. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then, next step, you need to select dito yung apps. So, click mo lang siya. And then, dito sa apps, and then next step ay, click mo lang tong install apps. So, click mo lang ito. And then, dito sa installed apps, and then dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung search apps. So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung OneDrive. And then, magpa-pop ka agad dito. Okay, so OneDrive Microsoft Corporations. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-uninstall. Okay, so dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, click mo lang siya. And then next ay, kailangan mo lang select dito yung uninstall. So, click mo lang yan. And then this app, unrelated info will be uninstalled. And then again, i-click mo lang tong uninstall. So, click mo lang siya. Uninstalling. So, wait natin. Okay, so once na-uninstall na siya, so close lang natin. And then dito lang sa start menu, click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung Microsoft Store. And then open natin. So once na-open na yung Microsoft Store, so ang gagawin natin dito lang sa taas, dito sa search apps, ay type mo lang dito yung OneDrive. And then, kailangan lang natin itong i-locate. Alright, so makikita mo na dito yung OneDrive, and then click mo lang siya. And then, kailangan lang natin dito i-install natin. So, reinstall ang tawag dito. And then, click mo lang dito yung get. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung installation dito sa Microsoft Store. Okay, so makikita mo na complete na yung installation niya. Okay, so once na-complete na siya, and then next step ay close lang na nito Microsoft Store. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu, dito lang sa baba, click mo lang siya, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc/scan now. So, in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then, press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step, so close lang natin itong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang itong restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 0x800701AA. The cloud operations was not completed. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.